Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new people, my name is Missy. Please subscribe, like and share. Ring that notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll be notified. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always passing by to watch my videos. Please guys, like and share with your friends. I have to pack them. These ones I'll pack them in the fridge. So, let's pack the cabbages. Put some water on the serviette. Place it here. It's too big. Right. This is to avoid this top from absorbing water that gets into the cabbage and the cabbage turns brown or black. So because you put here, you put what? You're supposed to put a blender, don't have a blender, so I use what I have, what's available. So you wrap it. You repeat the same process to the other cabbages. So we are done. We put them in the fridge. We go to the next one. This one I couldn't make because the stock is too small. You can't put a serviette there. You can't tie it. So this one, okay, I'll preserve without the whatever because I'll cook it tomorrow or the day after. I'll use it tomorrow or the day after. So this one will stay for a long time. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Bye.